I'm really about to do this.
Alright. Alright.
Okay, I really don't have no intro, so like, we just gonna get right into it. So, as y'all seen, clearly from the title of this video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair using no bleach. We're using L'Oreal High Color, and I'm using copper. And I got 3 boxes. I opened this myself, but we got 3 boxes. And then I got the 30 volume developer. And then I got gloves. Oh, I need Vaseline. They said to use Vaseline. Okay, and I'm gonna use Vaseline for my forehead, so like my forehead don't get stained with color. I'm scared, but I'm excited. And I got gloves. I really don't want my hands stained, so like I got a couple of pairs of gloves. I'm just gonna put on top. Who is it? Who it is? Okay, so I'm about to go ahead. So this is my hair before. I might just take out this bun, comb it out. Let me move that for now because I don't want hair on the Vaseline. I mean, yeah, hair on the Vaseline. So you're supposed to do it on like dirty hair, so my hair has not been washed or anything. So I'm about to just detangle my hair. Okay, my hair has like a red tint to it because I have, it's so much product in it, but it has a red tint to it because I have dyed it a couple of times, but I just use like, I don't even remember the brand, but it was from Walmart, like just a box dye, but it took on my hair really good. So there's like a brown, it's like a brown kind of on the ends. Oh, I can like see how that looks, but like it's still dark hair and like my roots are still dark. I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections. We got it in 4 sections, and now it's time to get down and dirty.
Okay.
Oh, I also have a brush. Most of these products came from Sally's, of course. Actually, all of these products are from Sally's. And then after I wash and condition my hair, I'm gonna be going in with a Shea Moisture treatment mask. So I'm gonna be going in with that after. Okay. So it's 1.2 ounces on the box, and I believe you're supposed to match the ounces, like however many ounces on the box is the ounces you have to put of developer. The only problem is my bowl is in milliliters. So yeah, but it's okay. So yeah, it's measured in milliliters, but I looked it up and I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but it said that 1.2 ounces was 35.49 milliliters, something like that. I don't know. We're just gonna put in like 40. Eyeball it depending on how even this is. I want y'all to really like get into this. Oh, wait, it's a cap thing on it. Wait, no it's not. Wait, it is. Does it just bust open when you squeeze it? Oh gosh. Y'all, what am I doing wrong? Yeah. So I did all 3 bottles. This is about the best it's gonna get. And I'm about to eyeball this developer, honestly, because oh my gosh, no, too much developer. Oh my god, no. Okay. Still a little chunky, so maybe I need more developer. It's supposed to be creamy, it's still a little chunky. So I'm gonna add some more developer. Yo, I don't know what I'm doing. It's still kind of chunky, right? It says it's supposed to be like creamy. Well, that's kind of creamy-ish. Maybe just a little bit. I think that's good. This is like so orangey. I think that's good, right? I think this is good, bro. I'm gonna go with this. I still had that other angle. So I did one section already. Kind of, I think. I don't know if I'm doing this right, y'all. I had to open that door. Cause when I tell y'all these fumes in here, something serious. But I believe I'm done. I'm gonna just get this last couple drops. Like I said, no dye left behind. I want my front to look more, take more color than my back. So I guess I want to keep adding more color in the back. I'm in the front. That's it for the bowl. That's it. And I'm gonna let it sit for, I believe, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, maybe an hour. No, I shouldn't do that. I don't know. We're gonna see. But yeah, let me go find a shower cap so I can let this sit and marinate. Then I will be back. So it's been 30 minutes now. I actually kept it on for 35 minutes. Oh well. But yeah, it's now like midnight. So I'm like getting tired. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. But I feel like it didn't do anything. Y'all, I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but it don't look like it did anything. But I'm not gonna judge your book by its cover. I'm just gonna get in the shower. I'm cold too, y'all. But I'm just gonna get in the shower and wash and condition it. and show y'all what it's looking like after. I feel like as soon as I rinse this out, but I think I'm gonna let it sit for longer. I think I saw people let it sit for longer. I think I'm gonna let it sit for longer. What y'all thinking?
And then she put it right back on.
Right back for long.
Ooh.
Right back on. We gonna let that sit longer, cause I don't think it took.
I'm in the ghetto.
I think I should have got 4 boxes for real, but it's fine. We're gonna see what it does, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. My edges are gone. Don't talk about me. I did a wig a couple months ago, maybe like a month ago, and I snatched my edges off, taking it off. So don't come for me because I already know. Okay, I know. Like, leave it alone. I see it, you see it. Leave it at that. So anyway, I'm like probably gonna dye it again, and this is, you know, it's alright. But I wanted something. We're gonna have to find results. I will come back with some. This is what the hair looks like. Brushed out and combed out. And I got my dye here. Same one. L'Oreal's High Color in the color copper. So I'm gonna be doing this again. Day 2. So that's it. I'll be back with an update or with the final result. I don't know what we'll see, but yeah. Okay, so like I thought I liked the hair, but like I wasn't feeling it. It was still giving me like conservative vibes, and yeah, I wanted something a little bit more bolder. So I'm doing it again, day 3. So I'm going in with the pre-color treatment, and this is just to give an evenness of the color throughout the hair.